Welcome to a funny noise special report. Now we've just been made aware of a funny noise that's being kept inside this apartment. They don't know we're coming in, so we're just gonna go look for this funny noise and see what we can find.
Winco popcorn?